The topic of this video is how to repost on Threads. So, let's begin. Get your Threads account active. If there isn't one, install the app from the Google Play Store on an Android smartphone, then sign up for an account. You must visit the App Store if you have an iPhone. Threads is closely linked to the Meta platform Instagram, requiring users to have Instagram and use Threads with the same identity. I'll show you the two simplest and quickest ways to repost on Threads. The first is to simply go to the main page of Threads, where different posts will be shown. Now open your profile by pressing the profile icon in the bottom right corner. You will see the three different options beneath the edit and share profile options, like threads, replies, and reposts. Simply press reposts, and here you can see I haven't reposted anything. Now again go to the main page. Beneath the thread, there are four options as, like, reply, report, and share. Simply press reposts. Now open the profile for another time and press reposts. See my repost here. This was the easiest way to repost on Threads. I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question, don't hesitate to comment down below. And thank you for watching.